everybody. Oh, how are you? Hey. Right. I think these are the notes. Today is a tasting day. And it is going to be Mosaic Pale Ale, 6.6% from the guy that everybody knows, Mr. Norman Red Dog. Well, his name's just Red Dog Brewer, but he's the, I think it's Sheffield, it's the A up country. Right, Mosaic Pale Ale. I've got some notes here, somewhere. Oh, here we go. So in it is 3 kilos of minch malt, 1 kilo of lager malt, 250 grams of carapils, 150 grams of melanodin malt, hops a Summit at 10 grams at 60, Mosaic 20 grams at 20, 25 grams at 10, 30 grams at flame out. Summit is 12 grams at flame out. So 75 grams of Mosaic, 22 grams of Summit. Doesn't say there's a dry hop here, though, so no dry hop. We reused the yeast cake from Warrior IPA, which was originally USO 5, 6.6. Boom. So, Mosaic. Who doesn't like Mosaic? Well, someone in the world probably doesn't, but I do, and most other people I know do. Everyone calls it Citra on steroids. Like Citra, don't like steroids. Not really getting much in the old aroma from the bottle, but that sometimes happens. So let's have a whirl in the glass. Nice generous 500ml bottle. Looks good. Carbonation's good. Colour's good, definitely pale ale. Nice level of carbonation. Looks to be on the higher end, which is, as any of you that watch this channel know, I prefer all my beer on the higher end. Even some stouts, or even stouts. Not too high, mind, on the dark beers. But this one looks perfect. Let's get rid of the chill haze. Nice and clear. See? Good. And on the nose again. Not a huge amount, I must admit. Because when I saw a Mosaic Pale Ale, I think, boom, high levels of hoppage. But then I read, obviously, reading the recipe, it's not going to be the case. But it's all in the taste, as everyone knows. So, cheers, John. Red Dog. Well, thank you very much. I must say the body you've got on that is fantastic. It's also crisp, it's refreshing. The bitterness is good. Not too high at all. Then again, it's a pale ale, not an IPA, even though it's in the IPA guidelines, the standard 6.6. It's out of pale ale category and into the IPA. But I don't see a problem with that. Some people get too hung up on beer styles and guidelines and BJCP and what have you. There's plenty of space in the beer world for those two to merge. So what if it's got more ABV? As I said, carbonation is fantastic. Hopping is nice. As I said, it's on the lower end. Would I have guessed Mosaic without reading it? Possibly, but no guarantee because it is very slight. I don't know when you brewed this, but that being said, it's not all about punch you in the face hoppiness. I would happily, and probably ill-advisedry, drink a shitload of this for the football because it is that fucking nice and that refreshing. Excuse me. I would, however, be firmly on my arse, dribbling for kebabs at the end of 90 minutes as a 6.6. A cracking brew. The body on that is fantastic. Lovely. Red Dog, lovely beer, cracking beer. I'm going to sit and enjoy that. The rest of that, with the rugby, that we're not playing too well at. Oh no, England 5, Italy 0. Alright, cool. Thanks very much, everyone. Take care and have a great week.
I can feel the